Well, good morning. Welcome to our acreage report review, also the quarterly grain stocks. And we have definitely had some reactions here. Let's start with the grain stocks. We're looking right now at soybeans. The number came out lower than they thought for stocks and soybeans. It came out at 963 million bushels. The pre-report estimate was an estimate of 981 million bushels, so a smaller number there. I will tell you that soybeans were unchanged before the report. Right now they're up 19 and a half, so a very strong reaction in soybeans there. Trading at the moment in November at 9.45 and a half, up 20 3/4, and it's actually been 8 cents higher than this. So we were up 29 at one point. Next, let's go to corn. The corn market was a bigger number than had been anticipated. 5.225 billion bushels is the stocks number. The average guess among analysts was 5.16 billion bushels, so that was a bigger number. Corn was up 9 before the report. In December corn, right now it's up 2.5, so it has backed off about 6 cents or so. All wheat. Looking at the all wheat grain stocks, the number was, let's see, it was slightly higher at 1.18 billion bushels. The average guess was 1.154 billion bushels. Wheat was actually up 20 before the report. It's right now, September wheat is up 17 and a half at 513 and a half. It's been 13 cents higher than this. So you can see we've had a wild day today so far. Now let's look at planted acreage. We'll start with soybeans. Planted acreage was 89.5. That was smaller than they thought. The average guess was 89.95. So that was also supported for beans. Corn number was 90.89 million acres. That was bigger than they thought. They thought it would be 89.8, so a bigger number there. That's was negative for corn. Wheat, all wheat, the acreage was a little smaller than they thought. Came out at 45.66. The average guess was 46.05. Now let's look at cotton. Of course, the only thing there is the acreage number. The range of guesses was 12 to 12.5. And it came out at 12.05. So that was a surprise for the market. Immediately we had a positive reaction. Cotton was up 14 before the report, although 30 minutes before the report came out, it was down on the day. So it proceeded to have a very good rally. It's backed off from those levels right now, which we're trading up 58 at 67.82. The high is 68.36. We were up over 100 right after the report, so it has cooled off some. We'll see what happens. This is definitely on the low end of what was anticipated. I don't think many people thought this number. The actual consensus number was a guess of 12.278. There was fear this number might be 13, and the market might really drop. Speculators in cotton have become very short the market. So going into this, there was an immediate reaction to bounce. We'll see if speculators are willing to give up their short positions and how the market will react. So that's really it for the day. Numbers were good for beans, not good for corn, somewhat neutral to just slightly negative for wheat, but pretty neutral, and bullish for cotton. Have a good day. Thanks for being with us for this report.